I'm Heather with WTI. My CHICVITA baskets come in handy. Let me show you. There's 3 different sizes. The one smallest size is great for just random essentials up on a shelf so that you can't see what's inside. I love that.
I find it's perfect for hiding your shreds. This hides them discreetly until I feel like shredding a whole pile.
They have a beautiful leatherette with little brass fittings. Awesome little accent to my decor while still pulling in a real stylish feel, even though they're functional. So much so that I actually throw all my random crap that I haven't put away yet in the large one. It's awesome. It just takes all the clutter and puts it completely out of sight.
We have a little builder in our home, and I really like being able to keep all his things together and not mind what it looks like. He can tuck this away on a shelf when he's not building, so he has all his projects all together as well. I find that even in areas where it's just cleaning supplies and stuff that's just not very good looking, they really make a spot look put together. I like putting my trash bags here just to make them a little less ugly than in the box.
We also use the middle-sized one for our rags and things like that. I pack it all the way full, but it would be very easy to disguise all your rags on a shelf. They're just ideal. I swear by them, and they have made my house look a little more organized than it actually is. But that's my point of view.